What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. We got another install video for you today. I wasn't really planning on doing this, but after getting the transfer case back in and everything, I can't get it to stay in 4 low. Check this out. I already pulled the seat out and stuff, make this easier on the install. You don't have to do it, they say, but to get all these out, it'd probably be easier to just pull the seat out. But let's see here. That'd be 4 high, neutral. And it's supposed to stay back for 4 low, but it's not, and it's just not engaging. So I don't know when the transfer case came out, when it fell out, it bent a bracket or something. So everything's still back in here. I went ahead and got the B&M Performance transfer case shifter cable. It's come with some beefier brackets and stuff, so hopefully we won't have any problems with it. Got your new cable, a couple small brackets, your larger brackets and stuff, and this beefy bracket here. No directions came in the box, so hopefully I'll probably have to go look on their website and stuff for directions that do it in it right and stuff, but we'll see. It should be pretty simple, I think. Probably take a couple hours or something, just because of how much you got to pull apart here. But let's get into this install. Alright guys, I got the center console out here. You do not have to do this. You don't have to take it all the way out to do this. I was planning on doing some other stuff here. So I just figured take the 20-ish minutes or so that it took to get all that out. Take it out while I'm here. But what you're looking for, here's the transfer case rod here. You can end up pulling this off, pulling this out, feeding everything through the hole back in here, if you can see it or not. And I'll have to drop the skid plate actually. Alright, the GoPro died, but we slid this out now. This just slides right out. We're going to have to shove this back in here, try and get it to go through the grommet if you can see it. Then we're going to back this off so it'll loosen up the bracket underneath, or loosen so you can get the cable out. Got it. This one wire here was in the way. Right, got it. Boom, there's the old cable. Take these brackets off here. We'll take the bolts out of the transmission here that hold this bracket take this bracket out and stuff. Should be 3 bolts right here, it looks like. Currently removing the bolts here. Yours might be different. This is a different transmission in here, so I believe they're set up a little bit different. how it mounts up. We got the bracket. Alright, those are our 5/8 wrench to get that bracket off. Now we gotta get these stud nuts off. One right here, then you can't see the other one, it's up high. I'll have to reach for that one to put the new bracket on. Alright, I ended up dropping the front drive shaft down. Made it a little easier to get to these bolts. One here, then the next one above it. Hard to see, but that's where the B&M bracket will go. So I'll get it up in there and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I got the bracket in here. This is a pretty big pain. I have a 1-inch body lift on here, so it makes it a little bit easier to get to the bolt here, and especially the bolt on top. But also drop the drive shaft, like I said before. That helps get a little bit more room. I don't know if you could really get tight. You can't really get your hands up there with it in, so I recommend just dropping it. It's only 4 bolts. Take you like 5 minutes, if that, to get it out of the way. Try to feed this through the hole. I'm going to stay on the top side here with this out. We're going to loosen up this bolt back here. We'll take this nut off. This one's already out. I'm going to put this bracket on. I'm just gonna keep everything loose for right now, and then I can adjust it later. There's a 10mm wrench. And there you go, loosen this up. That's definitely the wrong end. Really? No. Maybe it doesn't matter. Alright, I almost forgot to put this in. We're going to slide this on, put it in here. Let's see. Crap. I screwed myself by tightening it. Yep. we'll put all this back on, tighten her up. That's gonna make it hard to get all that on. All right, now we're gonna tighten these jam nuts up. Where it lies, it's gonna. Alright, apparently I didn't turn the camera on. Threaded this on, this aluminum, put your nut on first. Let's get it out of here. Put the nut on first, then thread this on, your bracket. Then you're going to put this little retaining clip on. I have it in 2-wheel drive right now. That way I know which positions to be in. There we go. I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not, but we're gonna try. Get all this where we can see it. We're gonna put our back nuts on first and our washer real quick. I'm gonna put on the long aluminum bracket or long aluminum piece and the nut. Get everything adjusted and stuff up here, and should be good to go. All right, guys, we got the cable in there and everything. I haven't put this back in yet. I'm gonna do some other stuff with it while I have it all apart. That was one of the reasons I took it all apart. You don't have to take it all apart like that. Made it easier and easier to show. Easier to show what I did. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you're not already, if you ever need more tech tips and stuff, or if you like trail riding videos. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.